The endocrine system. It is made up of various glands. The function of the system is to secrete hormones into the body through, as previously mentioned, the glands. Hormones are used as a type of messenger to give orders throughout the whole body.
The organs that make up the system are the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland, the thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal glands, pineal body, reproductive glands, which include the ovaries and the testes, and the pancreas.
The major glands that make up the human endocrine system include the hypothalamus. This is a part of the brain. It is important in the regulation of the metabolism and body temperature. It also secretes hormones that stimulate or suppress the release of hormones in the pituitary gland. The second part is the pituitary gland. It is located at the base of the brain just beneath the hypothalamus. It is considered the most important part of the endocrine system. It makes hormones that control several of the other endocrine glands. The anterior lobe regulates the activity of the thyroid and reproductive glands. The posterior lobe of the pituitary releases antidiuretic and produces oxytocin. The third part is the thyroid. It is located in the front part of the lower neck and produces the thyroid hormones, thyroxine, and these hormones control the rate at which cells burn fuels from food to produce energy. Another part is the parathyroids, two pairs of small glands in the surface of the thyroid gland, one of each side. They release parathyroid hormones that help regulating calcium levels in the blood and bone metabolism. Then, the adrenal glands. There are two adrenal glands on the top of each kidney. They are made up of two parts. The exterior part it is called the adrenal cortex, and the inner part is called the adrenal medulla. The exterior part produces hormones which regulates the body metabolism, balance of salt and water in the body, the immune system, and the sexual function. The inner part produces hormones like adrenaline that help the body with physical and emotional stress. Then, the pineal body. It is located in the middle of the brain and it secretes a hormone called melatonin that helps regulate the wake-up cycle of the body. Then, the reproductive glands, which include the ovaries and the testes. They are the main source of sex hormones. In male, the testes located in the scrotum, they secrete hormones called androgens, the most important of which is testosterone. In females, the ovaries, located on both sides of the uterus, that produce the estrogen and progesterone as well as eggs. The pancreas, it is located in the back of the abdomen behind the stomach. It has a digestive and hormonal function. The exocrine pancreas secretes the digestive enzymes that endocrine pancreas secretes the hormones called insulin and glucagon. These hormones regulate the glucose level in the body.
Diabetes affects the body's ability to regulate blood glucose levels. In type 2 diabetes, the body can respond effectively to insulin and can result in higher than normal blood glucose levels. This is a form of endocrine disease caused by high blood sugar levels in the body. Diabetes is the most common disease affecting the system, and it happens when hormones governing the glucose levels in the blood stop working and blood glucose goes up. For example, in the pancreas, the alpha and beta cells are extremely important. Beta cells can produce insulin, and alpha cells increase production of glucagon, which transforms glycogen stored in the liver and muscles back into glucose. Beta cells also produce hormone amylin that controls how fast the glucose is released into the bloodstream after eating. Type 2 diabetes causes these cells to be unable to produce a sufficient amount of insulin needed for blood sugar control.